Hi Dresser Kitties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw BTS's Tiny Tan V from their music video Dynamite. So let's get started. To draw cute V, let's first start by drawing his face. So I'm going to come right here and draw the very wide bottom of a U. So I'm going to come right across, nice and wide, say about right here. And go ahead and connect with a curve at the bottom. There, nice big wide curve, right? From there, we're going to start to draw the eyes. So in this area, I'm going to come, so imagine my center is about right here. I'm going to come out a little bit and say about right here, give myself a point. And right here, about right here, I'll give myself a point. Just so I know where my eyes are going to start. And then from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw a curve down. Right here, just your basic curve for V's eyes. And then right in the center, in this area, I'm going to draw kind of like an oval, big oval right in the center. And then let's come in here for some details. We're going to draw a circle right here for a highlight, and another one over here on this corner. And then in between, we're going to draw another oval right in here, and I'll shade this part in. There, and then the color goes around in that white area. And then at the bottom of this eye, we're going to draw a soft curve to anchor the eye right there. So same thing over here. So at this point that I gave myself, I'm going to go right ahead and draw another curve right across, just like the other side. And once again in the center area, just draw an oval. So about right there. And once again, highlight and an oval inside. And shade this in. There, and once again a little curve right at the bottom to anchor the eye. Okay, so then now that we have that in, we can go ahead and darken the top. So now that I know where this curve is, I'm going to go ahead and darken this top part right here. And in this area, I'm going to make it a little bit thicker to give it a little wing. There, so same thing over here. Okay, and then from there, let's draw, let's see, let's give him a sweet smile, of course. So in this area in the center, about right here, go up with a slight curve and cap it off. And then now we can go ahead and draw his ears. So in this area right here, I'm going to pop out a big curve for his ears. And inside detail, so two small curves. And so same thing, about right here and here. So we have his ears, and then now we can go ahead and draw his hair. So I'm going to imagine this as an oval. So say about right here in this area, in the center, about right here, I'll give myself a point, just so I know where I'm going to start his hair. So about in that area, I'm going to go ahead and just draw a soft curve right in the center. Then from there, we're going to go and start his hair. So right in the center, about right here, I'm going to go ahead and start with the first curve. It's going to come down and go up for one strand. And then let's see here, let's come down right here, and we're going to draw some more strands right close to his eye. 2 and 3, and flare it out. So then now we can work on this side. So let's bring this down more. And about right here, curve it out and bring it all the way down to where we started and flare it out. So whatever space you have left, just go ahead and finish your face. And he looks weird, right? Because he doesn't have any eyebrows. So let's come up about right here. So I needed to draw his hair first before I could draw his brow. Okay, so about the same area, about right here, I'll go ahead and just draw a soft curve all the way across. And I'll thicken it up. And same thing here. There, now it looks better, right? Okay, so then now we can go ahead and finish his hair. So the main strand that we need to draw is this part right here that we're gonna go up. This little cowlick thing that he has going on. So nice and high. About right there. Bring it down. And I'm gonna go across and bring it right back down. To about right there. There. And then let's finish this strand. So about in this area. Go ahead and finish this one strand right here. So everything is coming from here. And to simplify it, let's add a curve right here. There, there's amazing hair. I'll add another curve right here, nice and light. And then now for the rest of his hair. So let's come about right here. We're gonna go up. So nice and high, about right here. We're gonna go up and curve it in. So right about here, dip it in a little bit and then taper it in. There. Okay, so then now the other side, we're going to come down a little bit. So say about right here. Give it a little bump, come down in, and then curve it out and bring it right back to where his ears are. Just like the other side. And for some details, if you like, you can come in here and taper it off. Okay, so we're finally done with the V's gorgeous hair. Fix my curve right there. And now we can work on his body. So right in the center, let's see here. See about here and here. Obviously in the center. And let's come right here inside. And I'm just going to draw this kind of widen out V right here for his neck. Then let's bring this 2 angles and I'm going to bring it down towards the center again and up. So then his shoulders come down about right here and here, and armpit area, so about right here and here. So I'm bringing it a little lower because he's wearing a vest. So about right there, and we're going to angle a line down. Okay, so then let's come back in here and draw some details. So he has a, right here we're going to draw a cuff. And then his tie right in the center. So 2 angles connected, another 2 angles for his tie. Then let's come up here and connect for his vest. And let's bring this down a little bit more. So I'm going to continue this curve and come straight down for his vest. Okay, so I know I have this hand that's kind of bent and I want it in this area. So I need to work on this hand first. So about right here, I'm going to angle and angle and connect. So let's follow And about right here, I'll stop and cut it off. And finish my vest area right there. And then let's draw a hand, small little hand, curve, and fingers. Just come here lightly with 2 lines. Detail, and then right in this area, I'm going to come out with 2 angle lines. So about right there, I'll go ahead and connect. And same thing over here. There. Okay, so then for his pants, let's come straight down about in this area. Slight curve. And I'm going to round it down. Right there. And his pants come about right here. So let's work on this side first. I'm going to bring it down. I'm going to flare it out a little bit. So about right there. And same thing here. Come in and then flare it out. So about right there, going to go ahead and connect. So same thing here. And come out about right here. And I'm going to flare it out this side, going this way a little bit more because I'm having his foot a little bit more pointed that way. And curve. Then for his shoe, it's just a small indication of it because his pants are really long. And so on this side, we're going to pop out his shoe, going this way. There. Okay, so that part is done, and then now for his other hand, I'm just going to have it come out. So let's come out. About right there, I'll stop. About right there, and then go ahead and connect. And then his fingers, I'm just draw a thumb and fingers that kind of flare out right here. And you can add a small little one at the back. Just draw some detail right here. 3 buttons. And I almost forgot, he has hair right here slightly. Right here, we're just going to taper some hair and just tuck it in. So say about right here and tuck it in. And last but not least, I was just going to add a little heart right here to make him my tiny tan V from the music video Dynamite. So there, I really hope I helped you draw this cute little V here and that I made it fun and easy for you to follow along with me. Thanks so much for watching, and if you loved it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw Stick 2 videos. See you later.